What is my Wi-Fi password? I don't know. I cannot remember it. Oh, come on, I have to give it to my friend. Hi, welcome to Techfe channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password that you cannot remember it on Windows in 2 simple ways as fast as we can. The first method is so simple, but you have to be connected to your Wi-Fi. If you're not connected to your Wi-Fi anymore, don't use this method and go to next step. First, you have to go here, and here you have to search for view network connections, and you can see view network connection, and you have to click on it. And here you have to find your Wi-Fi. You have to be connected to your Wi-Fi, and as you can see, I'm connected to Techfe. You have to right click on this adapter and click on status and wireless properties, and in security tab you can see show characters, and you have to click on show characters. And this is my password. Subscribe to my channel. And if you're not connected to your Wi-Fi, you have to use this method. Okay, in this method you can find the password of any Wi-Fi you have used on this computer. And as you can see, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. All I have to do is going to here and search CMD and click on this. And here you have to type this command: net sh space WLAN space SHOW space profiles, and press enter. As you can see, there are my Wi-Fi's names, and I can see all Wi-Fi names. But I want just Techfe password, so I have to type this command: net sh space WLAN space SHOW space profile space name equal my Wi-Fi name Techfe. You have to be careful of uppercase and lowercase words, so I have to type Techfe and space and type key equal clear and press enter. As you can see, this is key content. This is my key content, and this is my Wi-Fi password. And we found our Wi-Fi password.